Hey, hi, I'm Tommy and Carolyn.
You're Tommy.
Hi, this is Tommy and Carolyn. And with the state of the world, well, 2020 has been a very interesting year, wouldn't you say?
Very interesting.
It's been really great for some people, not good for some people. And I just thought that it was time that everyone starts to have a little bit more fun. I know we just went through a big state-to-state move, and it was emotionally draining and tiring, and we need to have some more fun. And I think everybody needs to have a little bit of fun. You may hear our cat meowing.
He's hungry, apparently.
Did you feed him?
Yes.
And he's still
He's
meowing?
never full.
He's never full. If you haven't seen our Maine Coon Ross, he's on YouTube and our social media, Carolyn's Blooming Creations. Anyway, these are two toys that I'm really excited to share with the world, with adults and kids, or kids at heart. I saw a commercial for this Flamingo on Nickelodeon the other day, and I just thought it was really gross at first, and then I thought it was really funny. And I texted my sister-in-law, and she showed my nephew, and he thought it was really, really funny and said he needed to have one for Christmas. So maybe your kids want one of these for Christmas, or kids, if you're watching, maybe you will want one of these for Christmas. So we went to Target, and no, this is not a sponsored video. We bought these things with our own money. And we have two toys in here. We've got the Gotta Go Flamingo, and we're gonna show you how this works and do an unboxing. And we also have a color reveal Barbie. Both of these I think would make great gifts for, well, do I know if they'll make great gifts if I haven't opened them yet?
I don't know, I guess we'll find out.
Let's find out what these do. Sorry if you hear any animals in the background. We have two Maine Coons and two doggies. Minnie Pearl and Johnny Cash are our dogs, and Ross and Monica are our cats. So they may show up in this video too, especially when we get Gotta Go Flamingo going, because I know it makes noise. So this says on the box, it says, watch my magic poop, it will make you giggle. And then seeing it in person, it's super soft and fluffy. What do you think, Tommy?
Seems a little silly, but he's sitting on the toilet, so.
Is it funny though?
Yeah.
Do you think kids would like this?
Yeah, our nephew Connor would like this.
Okay. You can try it while it's in the box still. It has this little button here, and I know when I push it, the dogs are gonna go crazy. Let's see what happens.
Uh-oh, gotta go! Uh-oh, gotta go! Uh-oh, gotta go! Uh-oh, gotta go!
What do you think, Johnny Cash? You wanna see it? Where's Minnie Pearl? You wanna see it? Okay, let's see Gotta Go Flamingo. Let's see what the dogs think of the test of it. Ready?
Uh-oh, gotta go! Uh-oh, gotta go! Uh-oh, gotta go! Uh-oh, gotta go!
You're not very interested in it?
No.
That's a good thing.
He's concerned for us.
Oh, yeah, they're concerned with the cats. So let's keep unboxing this thing.
There's this toilet.
Here's the toilet. Does the lid flip off? So the concept is you feed it this special poop, and then it goes into this toilet. And it's reusable poop. That's what the directions say.
I got it.
Oh, he's cute. It has an on and an off. So now he's on. You just flip the switch on the bottom.
He repeats what you say.
He repeats what you say. That's fun. What do you think of that, Johnny Cash? Say hi, Johnny Cash. What do you think of him, Johnny Cash? Say hi, Johnny Cash. button.
Luckily he has an off button.
So now what do we do? You read the directions?
Yeah. We
Okay.
gotta fill this toilet with water.
Okay, fill the toilet with water is step 1. You go. That's cute. Okay, so we filled the toilet with water, and now what do we do?
We pour the flamingo food into his mouth.
Okay, so probably
With
needs.
using the scoop here.
Then it has this little hook on the bottom of him, and it hooks onto the toilet so he won't fall off. It looks like.
Then if he sings "Gotta Go" song, quickly place him on the toilet.
So you just keep him on, and so I'm gonna turn him back on. And then when he says, sings the Gotta Go song, you quickly place him on the toilet. So you kind of just play with him, I guess, over here, and then he sings, and then you're like, oh, I gotta put him on the
So
toilet.
you open his beak.
Do I turn him on?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
So we open his beak.
Is that his saying that he's hungry? Feed the hungry flamingo, Tommy.
Then we close his beak, so he's done.
Okay. Oh, he says,
Gotta go.
And then you put him on the toilet.
Well, he's gonna make flops.
Gotta go. Gotta go.
He's grunting.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh,
He's making flops.
And then he's done.
Yeah, and then he's done.
And then what do you do with the poop?
And then what do you do with the poop?
Pour it back into the scoop. I guess I could have gave him all of this.
Oh, you can give him all
And the
of
food
that.
will instantly dry.
And the food instant. Okay,
Yeah,
well
you
we'll
can
do a
remove it.
second. We'll do a up close shot so you can really see it getting going.
He's only got one turd right now.
One turd.
It's good and solid though, so.
It's a good.
Okay.
We're gonna put the rest of the scoop in so you can see it up close. Does he ever stop?
I don't think so. So open his mouth.
Okay.
He doesn't eat that fast.
No, he doesn't eat very fast. You'll notice that. I guess we'll just go ahead and put it in and see what happens.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh no, I got it on the counter. So don't do that.
It's gross.
It's gross. It basically comes out dry, and then once it hits the water, that's when it turns to the gel. Now we gotta clean up the mess, so learn from my mistakes. They say you can put the whole scoop, but I don't think it fits.
I guess whatever the scoop is a couple meals.
So it's just a little tube and it comes out down his bottom and it comes out dry, and then when it hits this toilet water, it turns to the gel. And then it says that you can just leave the gel out and it'll dry back into the pellets, and you can reuse this over and over and over again. So we put him over here to clean him up, and make sure all these pellets you get up, I don't know that they're pet safe, so we're gonna make sure, definitely clean it up real good. They're really microscopic, but they do turn to gel. So we'll definitely clean this area up. I suggest that if you're doing this at home, you probably put down paper towels or something, because
Probably.
I got it everywhere. And it's under the stove, so I gotta brush that out. So then what are the directions for getting it out? Oh,
You just pour it into this over the sink. And
oh, and it
dry
sifts it
instantly.
out, okay. And it's a sift. Oh, they're just like little, they smell very plasticky. So I'd be careful about putting this down your sink because it definitely, it's like they repel water. Like they're still all dry. No, they're still really dry. They're not wet at all anymore. That's a very strange substance.
I don't know how it makes it into the poos.
I don't know. I saw it. It comes out of him dry and then hits that.
But it's not forming turds.
But it's not forming in the bowl.
Weird.
It's not forming the little poop.
It's magic.
It's magic.
It's a magic unicorn poo.
So this is our fun toy of the day, and I know that kids would really enjoy this, and adults too. It's a cute little gadget just to kind of sit around your house. I'm really feeling flamingos right now.
Good conversation starter.
It is a very good conversation starter. People are like, what is that? And you're like, oh, it's a pooping flamingo. Is that funny?
Yeah.
So I'll do a separate video for the color reveal Barbie, and that should be an interesting one because she comes out in one solid color and then you dip her in water and she turns into another color, and there's 7 surprises inside. I saw this on a YouTube video and I wanted one for myself. Mine will probably be different than the one that I saw on YouTube, but that's okay. I don't know.
If you get the redhead one.
It would be funny if I got the redhead one. Thank you for watching. Kids, if you're watching, this is a fun toy. It's definitely something that would look cute in your room. And adults, this is something that would look cute in your home office or maybe in your car or... Thanks so much for watching. I'm Carolyn.
I'm Tommy.
And see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you haven't had a chance yet to subscribe, do so now. And if you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave it in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! There's a little bit of poop on the toilet. Somebody needs to clean up the toilet. Uh-oh, gotta go. Say, uh-oh, gotta go. Get stuck in your head.
Lovely.
You do it. Do it.
Thanks.
Do it.
Uh-oh, gotta go. Uh-oh, gotta go.
Woo-woo! Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com.